What's up, guys? It's CJ Benny back with another video. In today's video, we're going to be playing a game called Cluster Truck. Basically, the main idea is you jump on trucks. Let me give you an example. I already beat the first level to get a main idea of the game. And there's going to be several obstacles, and you have to make it to the end and to get to the goal. I've already had practice. You didn't see that. I've already had practice. There's also a speed boost, but I don't use it. Buddy, stop honking. Sorry, Daddy's honking. Catch you later, alligator. Get you out. Ow, my ears. My eardrums. Oh, go. Wait. Okay, landing on the car. Come on. Let's go. And there's a point system, and you can gather points to buy abilities. Bro, they call me Neo from the Matrix. Okay. Bigger. Okay, now I can talk. Bigger obstacles start to come, but right now we don't have any. We got this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I was actually thinking about making a second channel just about me playing games. Like games outside of just Fortnite. I mean, I do that, but I don't have a separate channel about it. You probably see loads of YouTubers play the game. Okay, so I guess we just ride this truck out, but that'd be boring. Ow, my ears. No. Let's go. 7,000, dang. I think we almost have enough to buy the first power up. Oh, poop. Ooh, yes, they squished me in their butt cheeks. Whoa. Oh, this is insane. Come on. No! Let's go to the main menu and see if we can purchase. Oh no, we only have 7,000. Okay, let's go back into the game. Boom. Got it. Whee! Oh no. If I get crushed. No! What do I do? I'm trapped. Ah! Okay, we gotta get to the front. Subscribe if you guys think I should make more outside of Fortnite videos. Whoa! I'm jumping on rocks! It's actually really hard. I think we should get on the car, the farthest, like this one. I feel like this is a good car. Come on, hurry up, car. No! Whoa! I'm trapped! This level's actually hard. Whoa! That didn't happen. Come on, drive forwards. Why is my car the only one that goes out? Nah! I didn't mean to do that. We got this. No one falling down. There you go. No! No, I didn't. I'm from the Matrix. It is a fact now. Come on. Let's go! Let's go, baby! Did you see those Matrix skills, bro? Wait, there's trucks coming back at us. Hey, I didn't sign up for this. All I did was sign up to be Neo. Alright. Let's just start. Let's go back. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. This was about to do, wasn't it? Oh, crikey. How the heck am I supposed to beat this? Do I have to get to the front? No! Bruh. Okay, I feel good about this car. Come on. I felt good about this car. Wait, no way. No way. No way. No way home. Let's go. How many points? 8,000. Oh, that didn't happen. What the heck? What the heck? Okay. We're staying in this truck right here. Yes, trucks, hold me. Let all these other puny trucks die first. I died by touching my face on a wall. This truck. Hey, what? I don't know how I feel about this truck, actually. I don't know. Wait. No! This truck, right here. Yes, hold me, my truck bros. I don't know how I feel about this anymore. I don't see anything I can jump to. No! No! It exploded right in front of me, bro. Here. No! Okay, I know what to do now. I need to get to the front. No way! No! Oh my, dude! Go, go, go! I feel good about this truck. I feel less good about this truck. I feel good about this one. I don't feel good. No. Yes. No. Bruh. Go. 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 Don't even know where. I don't even know where I'm jumping. Just go. That's all that matters. Just go. Just go. Just go. I can't get past this stupid level. Go. Just go. You got this. You're freaking Neo. You're Neo. You're not Neo. You're not Neo. You're definitely not Neo. This car's about to explode. Yeah. Okay, go, go, go. Okay. Feel good about this. I don't feel good about that anymore. We got this. DJ Gang. I literally just made that name up. Oh, balls. We're all good. No, we're not. No, we're not. Cars are pushing in. No. Okay, we got this. Everything's fine. Guess. No way. No way. No way. Come on. Just get through. Wait. Can we make it? No way we make it. No way. No. Let's go, baby! Let's go! 10,000 points. What the frick? You got this, DJ. Come on, you got this. Oh, you don't got this! You got this, DJ. You see, people call me DJ Bandy, but what they don't know is my real name is DJ. It's not really DJ. Oh, that was not. It's DJ. My real name is DJ. Totally. Maybe my real name being DJ gives me luck. It does not give me luck. Wait, maybe it does. My name is DJ. My name is DJ. Let's go, baby. Bro, I just earned a trophy. Oh, we're on the second level. Wait, what? What is this? Whoa! Oh! Hold up. Let's try and see if we can get an ability. Okay, let's see. Slow time is too much. We're gonna save up for slow time. That's gonna be very helpful. Whee. Okay, we're still on. We're still alive. We got this. Never mind, that truck's gone. We still got this though. We do not got this. No! Wait, no! Go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh. This isn't good. I don't like it when my tracks. No! I jumped too early. Whoa! Okay, we're alive. We're good. We're good. We're healthy. We're not dead yet. Okay, actually, wait. We might be able to make this. Don't you dare go. Wait. No way. Come on. You got this. You got this. How many points is that? Okay. Now we should have enough. We don't have enough. Let's do this. Okay. I played this level before. Not on my account, but I played it before. This level is hard. I've never been able to beat it. My brother's the one that beat it. Okay then. Rude. And go. Wait. Wait. No. I actually made it fast. Literally, I thought I was gonna die, and then like a truck just caught me. I slipped off the roof. Oh no! This one. Wait, no, go. Go! No, don't go. You got this, DJ. You've been training. You've been doing this your entire life. That's right. Oh, boss. I've been jumping on cars my entire life. I haven't actually as long. My name's DJ. My name is DJ. My name is DJ. My name is DJ. I love this game. I love this game. I love this game. I slid off the roof. This game is dookie. 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 No. This game is dookie. I actually got in a car when I said this game is dookie. It might work. This game is dookie. No, I slipped off. That's possible. This game is dookie. This game is dookie. I slid off. Ow. I just was being... Jesus, go. This game is trash. This game is trash. This game is trash. That's so close. Should I just not use the boost and just jump over? That's the strat. Just don't use the... That's the strat. Just don't use the boost. But use the boost to get up there. I know how to do this now. But it's a skill. Jeez, that is loud. My eardrums are gonna burst before I can even beat this level. Oh, that's how you do it. I know how to do it now. Wee. Okay. This is possible. This is easy. Maybe I should stop on this car. Oh, they move so fast. Got it. Their butt cheeks split open. So close. You see, they literally split. I was a foot away from landing on the car. I'm not even paying attention to where I'm landing. Oh, it should be though. I have an idea. I'm dead. Ah! wait. Bro, that car that flipped saved me, but then I died. So I guess it didn't save me, but still. I know what to do now. Here, and go! Dang it, I really need this slow-mo ability. Let's do this. You got this, DJ. Nothing's worse than you, except for the game. Okay, we're on. So I'm gonna stay from here, just stay on one card and sit in the middle of one. Not that. No, I hate this part. Drive. Wait. Come on, drive. Let's go, baby. I forgot this level. Let's see what this is. Oh, this one. They don't call me Neo for nothing. No, they don't call me Neo at all. Oh, go. They don't call me Neo for nothing. You wanna know why? Cause it's Nerf or nothing. Let them float. Cause they'll float too! How the heck am I supposed to make this? Need somebody explain this to me. How am I supposed to make this? Oh, they're splitting. They're butt cheeks. Go. Let's go. No, I messed up. I could have made that. Hey, I got this down. I've got this to strat. Let's go, truck brothers. Okay, let this one sink. Go this one. No. Let's go. There. Sink. No, sink. Ah. Up there. Go for it now. Let's go, baby. Don't mess with me. Don't. Yes. Air dash or getting slow time. Yes. You guys will see why I'm getting. Okay. First, I need to. I remember what it is. Oh! Never mind. This might not have been a great purchase, but everything's fine. Wait. This might have been a great purchase. Is this a great purchase? That is the question. It was a great purchase. Let's go, bye. 2,000 only? Wow, that sucks. Oh, I remember this one. I hate this one. Get on, hop on these. Oh, I hate this one. No! Oh, poop. Hey, here's what you do. Stay at the back with this loser truck. While all of the other trucks go off the edge, you let the other trucks make the path to victory. Oh, no. I don't know why I'm ducking my head in real life, like that's gonna do anything. My truck brothers. I feel like that booty crack's gonna split. I guess not. Hurry up. I'm dead. Oh! I'm not dead. I am alive and well, actually. Oh. Scooby-Doo this crap. Let's go. We don't waste no time. No time will be wasted today. Oh, I don't know how to do this one. Oh, poop. Hey, what's this? You don't know how hard this was for me. We need the air dash. I should have got the air dash. Oops. I can do this. No! Yes! Let's go! Let's go. Oh, jeez. Oh, I remember this level. This level is annoying. I'm not proud of that. Stay at the back. Oh my god, I almost found the butt crack. Should I have stayed in the back? Yes, I should have. Oops. I have an idea. I have a plan. Stay in the front of the car where it's lower down. And let it, oh. Hoover, hoover, hoover. Alright. This is where we Scooby-Doo this crap. Oh, poop. Scooby-Doo it. Let's get to the front. I feel like that's actually a way better idea than just staying in the back. Scooby-Doo! Wait. Whee! How many points? We must get the dash. Oh no. No, go, faster. The walls are closing in, you can see the walls. Go, faster! No, faster! Go, just go. Don't mean to think about where you're jumping there, my scratch that. Jump! Go faster! Go. Don't even think about how you died. Just go. No, that's moving fast. How the heck are these walls even getting pushed? Is Hulk back there pushing the freaking walls? Hulk, can you stop? Hulk, is that a good? I made it. Oh wait. Oh, I'm not thinking right now. Ow. Oh, that's a face. Oh, there's no better. I'm dead. Yeah, I could have made that. Oh. I'm dead. I can't use all your. Oh, whoa! Wait a minute. Oh. Okay. Oh. Wait, why am I using? Oh, I made it. We don't need the boost. We don't need the slow-mo. We don't need the slow-mo. We don't need it. Because we're oh. Whoa. And you're, whoa. Oh. No way. Wait. We might actually survive here. Are we gonna survive? Is the real question. No, we're not. Oh, yes, we are. Oh, are we? I can't even tell anymore. No, I'm dead. Here we go. DJ, you've been practicing all your life even though it's been 30 seconds? It's not even been 30 seconds, it's been like a minute. I could have made that if there's a truck. Maybe. Your life sucks. Maybe a truck. Maybe truck. You're stuck. Like a truck. Like a duck, you're stuck in the muck. That must suck. duck, truck. Do I have enough is the question. I am sweating. No, I only have 7,000. Jesus. We have to get 15,000. Can you do that, DJ? No, I can't. Bruh. No. No, wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Wait. Oh, no. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. Just like and subscribe. Oh. There's no way I can beat this. I swear. Milk. Nope. Oh. I have an idea. Ooh ah. Ooh ah. No, just need the truck there. Okay, we can say nope. Yep. Ooh ah. Ooh, nope. Wait, yes. Oh, nope, you're dead. Ooh. 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 Oh, you're dead here. Ooh. No, you're dead here. Stop sniffing the truck's butt cheek. I have an idea. Save energy. Do we need the speed boost? That's a real question. Do we need... Do I need it? That's a real question. Yes, I do. Oh. Oh, I could have just stayed here. Wait a minute. Oh. I have an idea. Wait. No way this... No way. Oh. That works. Oh. No way this works. Just ride it out. Super radical. Wait. Did we finally beat this? Oh, the car just wants to randomly decide to flip. Oh, that's fair. Oh. I think we're good. We're good? We're good. Wait. Go on this car. Jump. This game literally hates me. It literally decides to make... I swear, bro, if you're seeing me when I was not recording, when I was playing the game, this truck just decided to open their butt cheeks when I land on it. Like, it's dumb, but it's also funny, and it's good for content. Oh, poop. Oh, I'm alive. Oh, I'm somehow alive. I keep forgetting I have the slow-mo. Oh. No way. No. This game is dumb. I'm a 50-year-old man. No, just kidding. I'm wasting my time when I could be doing something else, playing a game that's making me rage. This thing's gonna make me rage quit. We're already like, I don't know, 15 minutes in, I don't even know. All I know is that I'm about to die. I swear. Jump. Collide your butt cheeks to save me. Thing almost killed me, if anything. Okay, we're good. Oh jeez, glad I'm not that trapped. No! Okay, we made it. Nope. Okay, we made it. Nope. No deaths here. Come on. Make it. You have to like and subscribe for that. You have to like and subscribe for that. I did like, nothing seems to be, never mind, I spoke too early. There's boulders and I'm literally flying through the sky. I'm super trucker. Mother trucker. Oh, that was an appropriate time to use another trucker. Just run. Don't even question it. Just, nope, you're dead. Just run. Don't even look at the boulders. Even if they come, just ignore them. It destroyed a car as I was on it. Nope. See what I mean? They decide to open their butt. That was just me. Nope, nope, no button. Go. 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 Okay. 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 How many points? Come on. Complete the force. Oh, we're on the next level, yeah. Frost? Okay, after this, then I'm gonna... Oh. We're gonna see if we can get it, and if we can't, I'm gonna be sad. But that's gonna be the end of the video! Your butt cheeks are too big for me to latch on to. Go, go, go. I can land on these two. It's easy. From here on out. 13,000. Main menu. Back. We need like one more. Air dash. Double jump, I've already tried it. It's Dookie Kaka. So I think after we beat this game, then this level, then we might have enough. We might, just maybe, just maybe, just maybe. I'm so lucky that I have two cars here. No way, no way. That's why they call me Neo. From the Matrix, baby! Now, please. I'm literally sweating. I'm not even capping. I am sweating. We unlock the Air Dash 15,000. Confirm. Okay, let's try one level with it and then I'm done here. Oh. 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 Air dash onto the car. No. Okay, let's do this. Oh. Air dash up. Boom. That recharges. Go. No. Oh, so close. No, no, no. No, we're not gonna make it. That's why these are here. But like, do we really need it? Like, come on! Yeah, we need that. How about we save the boost, the dash for when we actually need it, because I just wanted to use it. Do we really need to use this though? And slow-mo. Boom. Only 37 for that? Bro, it's basically Neo moves. Wait, come on, come on. Boom. They don't call me Neo for nothing, baby. They don't, nobody calls me Neo, sadly. Woo, dash into the game. Come on. Bruh. Ugh. Oh, that sent me to the next game. Well, I hope you guys have been, I can't even speak correctly. Hope you guys have enjoyed. It's been me, DJ Bendy. Well, catch you guys in the next video. Peace.